Welcome to the show, guys.
I thought I'd give you guys an update of what happened and why.
Basically, the whole reason why my reverse idler detent popped out in the first place has to do with this bolt. Whatever you do, don't remove this bolt. It's kind of a weird design. Basically, this bolt goes through the top of the transmission case. And on the other end of it, there is an arm that rocks back and forth and pushes on the reverse idler gear to make the gears mesh so that then you have reverse. For whatever reason, a previous owner decided to remove this bolt. That caused that arm's adjustment to go out of whack.
This arm sits down here like this, underneath the idler gear. And this is what, when you push on your shifter, this is what shifts it into reverse. This bolt goes through the case and goes inside of this arm, and that's what actuates. The arm actually actuates on that bolt. The thing is somebody must have taken the bolt out. They couldn't get it back in, and so they ground the threads down to kind of a point to get it back in the arm. Not only did they grind the threads off of the bolt in order to get it in back into the arm, but when they did, they screwed up the threads on the arm itself. Now the arm wasn't in the right place any longer, and eventually, after I bought the car, it caused
This piece to then pop out and go through the transaxle.
So on this episode, we're gonna finish tearing the transaxle down and get it cleaned up and ready for reassembly, so stay tuned. So that's my 924S, and that's my transmission. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is my transaxle. What's up, everyone? Hope you're doing good out there in YouTube land. What's up to my subscribers? Thanks for hitting that subscribe button. I really appreciate the support, guys. And shout out to my buddy Jeff. Thanks for helping me tear this thing down and figure out exactly what went wrong with that reverse detent thing. I really appreciate it. That looks like grease. There must be grease on there. Alright, so we're not going to be doing a full rebuild on this thing, but we still want to make sure that the inside and the outside of the case is as clean as it can be, and that way we know that nothing else bad will happen. We can put in some new parts and get this thing reassembled.
No, you're talking over him. Shut up. No.
I haven't pulled the axle seals out. I am gonna do it, but I don't want to because I just put them in there. And I'm like, but I'm gonna clean the inside with brake parts cleaner. I'm going to wash, degrease the outside, and then do the inside. I'm gonna block off the bearings and stuff as much as I can to make sure I don't get any dirt in there. And I'm gonna do the best job I can. So, and I'm not saying you should do it this way, but it's the way I'm gonna do it. And then the last thing I gotta do is clean the gasket material off of this thing. I still have to clean up some of these small parts here. This is the fun stuff here. All these little doodads and doohickeys and whatnot. Small parts. Here's some parts that I'm just going to be cleaning up by hand. My neighbor Melvin's coming home. Hey Melvin. Ta-da! Bolts and plugs. I'm gonna clean them. Well, there it is. I got the case, this part of the case cleaned and dried out. I'm gonna spray some WD-40 on it. Well, there it is, all cleaned up and ready for reassembly. On the next episode, we are going to order the parts I need to fix this thing and put this jigsaw puzzle back together. Thanks for watching the show, guys. See you next time.